if you're trying to find easy and cheap way to live cast your face, I'm here for you because I just did it. First things first, guys, we are doing the mold. For the mold, we'll need plaster bandage, Vaseline, a little bit of your time and creativity. Cut the bandage to pieces that you'll be comfortable to work with. I made different sizes for different parts of my face. Next, Vaseline. You want to cover all of your face, all of your brows, of course, your lashes, and your hair. Please do not skip this part because you will need to take your mold off your face, and if your face will be in Vaseline, it will be much easier and less harmful for your face. I'll tell you my hack how to take Vaseline off your hair, but now let's start creating the mold. I'm trying to be eco-friendly so I don't waste too much water. And by the way, I really think that using box with water is much easier than using running sink. So if you need few tips here, I'll tell you. My first tip, not to use too large pieces when you start with this work. Second one, do not put them in the water for too long because it will dry longer. Forget about emotions. And by the way, choose time when you don't need to answer anything to anyone and you may keep silence for at least 30 minutes. So while I'm doing all this stuff with 10x speed, I'll tell you how to remove your Vaseline from your hair easier than I did. So first, use baby powder or dry shampoo. I also heard that corn stretch or potato stretch works also real well to remove Vaseline from hair. And after that, wash your hair twice. Here I'm trying to get to my eyes as close as possible. And by the way, I'm also adding a bit more to my face and hairline because it will be easier for you to fill this mold when it will be ready. Victory dance for we did it, and after it dried completely, it took around 15-20 minutes to dry. I'm starting to awake my mimic, and after that, with really gentle movements, I'm trying to put everything out of my face. And finally. So here's how it looks from the inside, and we'll also need to apply the same bandage to all the pieces that are missing. So it's eyes, nostrils. Just add a bit of water and be really gentle with this new face we've done. You want to be sure that you don't have any holes in your mask because we'll be pouring the material and we don't want it to leak out of the mask. So here is the final look of my mask of this mold, and we're ready to step 2. And here we'll need Vaseline again, and for this time it will be barrier between our material that we will be pouring in and the mask. As one of the cheapest ways possible, I've used plaster powder. I know that sometimes people use concrete, but I've decided that this will be a little bit more suitable for what I'm doing. I thought that 500 grams will be okay, but I ended up with the whole kilogram of this pack. In the description down below, I'll put every material that I used for this creation. And by the way, you are very welcome to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button because it really helps me to create something good for you. This material dries really quickly, just in 15-20 minutes, so you don't really have to wait for long. Warm. It's really warm, and I think it's almost ready. When everything dried, you can start easy and little by little to take off the mold out of our new beautiful face cast. If it's possible for you, I really recommend you to make it a little bit more polished. I don't have what to use for polishing, so I'm just using acrylic to make this cast last longer and to make it easier to work with prosthetics, latex, and etc. So don't believe people who tell that making friends after your 30s is harder because we just did one.